Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to check a very interesting question where we are asked to find the origin point and destination point of a flight. So as you can see from the given image that we have multiple flights running in different cities and we have to find starting point and destination point of every flight. So from which point that flight started and what was the ending point of that particular flight. So let's check out how we can use our built-in predefined functions to solve this approach. So as you can see that we have 3 to 4 different flights available with their flights number and their origin city and destination city. So as in the sample data we have Air India, Indigo and SpiceJet available which are running among different cities. So I have created a data frame with all my available data and now I will start my transformations. So very first I will create a data frame called result to store my output. Now I will use group by to group my data here and I will group this data based on their flight number and flight name. So I will just mention here flight name. So now I have grouped this data based on my flight name and flight number. Now I will just use my aggregate functions. So I have two aggregate functions, first and last, which can be used to get first value and last value from a particular data or a particular group. So I'll just use first from my origin city column and I'll give an alias name to it as my starting point. Now I'll use last on my destination city point. And I'll give name as my ending to. Now let's check what is the output we are getting as of now. Okay, so you can see that my cell has been executed and the output currently we are getting is flight name, flight number, the starting from and ending to point. So now you can see we got two rows for Air India, one for Indigo and one for SpiceJet. So very first we'll check this SpiceJet. So it's been started from Mumbai and went to Pune. Now coming to my source data, you'll see that we have three entries for SpiceJet. So it was started from Mumbai, went to Agra, then from Agra to Kolkata and then from Kolkata to Pune. So our output should be Mumbai to Pune, which we are receiving in our output, Mumbai to Pune. Now for Indigo, it is Indore to Udaipur. So for Indigo, we can see that we have only single entry which is started from Indore and end at Udaipur. So it is correct. Now for coming to Air India, we have two different flights available. So you can see the flight number one we are having with Air 100 and another one is with Air 300. So for 100 it is from Delhi to Bangalore. So let's check that. So it started from Delhi, went to Hyderabad, then Hyderabad to Bangalore. So it should be Delhi to Bangalore. So we are getting Delhi to Bangalore here and another one is from Jaipur to Kerala. So for that it was started from Jaipur and ends at Kerala. So as expected we received our output. So these first and last are predefined SQL or PySpark functions which can be used in a data table to get our first value and last value from a set of data. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood this point which I have used here. If you like the video, please share it with the persons who are preparing for data engineering interviews or sharpening their skills. Do subscribe the channel as I am coming with more data engineering interviews questions. Thank you.